Welcome to this video on satellite dish alignment and parabolic antenna principles. We will learn the theory behind these systems and how to master their installation. The parabolic reflector catches weak radio waves. Its curved shape focuses these signals, making them all meet at a single focal point. According to geometrical optics, if rays leave the focal point, the dish makes them parallel. The path lengths for all the rays remain equal. A satellite dish has three main components. The reflector gathers the waves, the feed horn captures them, and the LNB converts them into a usable signal. Prime focus dishes, suitable for large sizes, have a feed that blocks some signals. Offset dishes position the feed lower, preventing signal blockage. Cassegrain and Gregorian dishes use two reflectors. The subreflector pushes the signal back toward a feed antenna located at the base of the main dish. The feed horn catches the focused energy. Its shape, with concentric rings, improves efficiency and reduces unwanted side lobes in the signal pattern. The LNB amplifies the weak, high-frequency input signal. It then reduces the frequency to a low-frequency output, which is carried by a coaxial cable. For signal quality, the LNB reads both horizontal and vertical polarization waves. Its internal amplifier blocks unwanted noise, ensuring a clear signal. When selecting a site, ensure a clear view of the satellite. Avoid obstructions like trees and buildings, and mount the bracket securely on a solid wall. Set the angles using a compass for the azimuth, which is left or right. Use the dish scale for the elevation, which is up or down, to point the dish correctly. To fine-tune the signal, connect the satellite finder. Move the dish slowly in small increments until you find the strongest signal strength and quality. After alignment, tighten all bolts to lock the dish in place and prevent movement. Finally, scan the receiver to find all available channels. For common problems, no signal? Check LNB cables. Weak signal? Adjust dish angles. Bad weather issues? Consider upgrading to a larger dish. The unified system works by the dish geometry, focusing the waves. The LNB translates the signal. Careful alignment is essential for success in receiving the signal.